राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा सलाहकार अजीत डोभाल जेएनयू विवाद पर बोले हैं। देश के टुकड़े होंगे के नारे जेएनयू में 9 फरवरी को लगे थे। कन्हैया, उमर खालिद समेत कई छात्रों पर देश विरोधी नारे लगाने के आरोप भी लगे, गिरफ्तारी भी हुई। अब डोभाल ने समाज से नारों को लेकर शिकायत की है। कहा है कि ऐसे नारे लगने पर मूक दर्शक बने रहना बर्बाद करने जैसा है। ऐसे अजीत डोभाल का ये बयान है। पहली बार उन्होंने चुप्पी तोड़ी है इस मामले पर और कहा है कि देश को बर्बाद करने जैसा है इस तरह के नारों को मूक दर्शक बनकर सुनना।
When some people who have made no sacrifices for the country come on the streets or come on at these things and give the slogans talking about fragmentation of India, Bharat tere tukde honge, inshallah, inshallah. It is not what they said is important. It is how the rest of the society responds to that that is important. When the rest of the society is a mute spectator to that and considers it as an event, just as a news media item, it is not something that shakes them up. It means that the national will is not up to the point where it has got to be. Where you talk about the negatives, but you have got no pride in the positives. When everything that your ancestors have done, you are ashamed of. When your religion, your culture, your civilization, your practices, your families, your village, everything you are very apologetic about it, it means that the national will has yet to emerge.
डोभाल ने कहा है कि भारत के मुसलमान आईएसआई को रोकने की पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं। कुछ युवा आईएसआईएस के संपर्क में आए थे जिनकी सरकार काउंसलिंग कर रही है।
Let us see the things in the right perspective. There is a need also for us to send a message to every countryman that don't suspect and think that everyone who doesn't who believes in Islam or who follows the Islam is a radical. It is not. It is not true. They are probably trying their best. You know, in a recent example, I think I may share it with you. There was some attempt by some people from the ISIS to build a network. A large number of people were picked up. We kept only 4 of them. We released all of them. We are calling them for counseling. And we are doing the counseling, they come along with their parents. At places we are telling the people in whose near the madrasa or a Maulvi who is living in that area, please visit their homes, keep a watch on them and tell them. It had a salutary effect. I find that nearly about 96 of them, they have become the biggest champions. See the number of people who wanted to come back. It's a very small percentage of people who had gone considering the population here. But thousands of people from Europe have gone. We had only about 36 persons who had gone, and a large number of them, a majority of them, were those who were in the Middle East and got this thing from there. It was not so much from India. And even those who went from India, some of them even tried to return from Turkey. So I don't think that we have got to be over-concerned. Overreaction may create a certain phenomenon, which might be this thing. Please impress upon the family elders, the religious teachers, your Maulvis, the madrasas, the masjids.
डोभाल यही नहीं रुके, उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि इस्लाम की कट्टरपंथी सलाफी विचारधारा के लोग भारत में जड़ें जमाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं जो हम कभी होने नहीं देंगे।
There are certain types of Islamic denominations which are trying to propagate an ideology which is alien to Indian ideology and can come very close to radicalism. And Salafi ideology, I was told, I understand, is bringing about a certain amount of a change in the Hanafi Islam of India. There is a need to counter it through scholarly discourse, through interaction with them. Probably they may be a recipient of some funds and money from some sources by which some of the mosques and others have converted to Salafi this thing. The people who, the Markazul Dawa Irshad and Lashkar-e-Toiba, they all belong to Salafi Islam. We would not like the Salafi Islam to make inroads in India because that is alien to India, that is alien to Indian psyche, it is alien to Indian tradition of Islam, it is alien to our ethos and it is bad for our nation.
तो मुस्लिम कट्टरपंथ जेएनयू विवाद पर खुलकर बोले हैं राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा सलाहकार अजीत डोभाल।